Hello everyone! Today is going to be the first video in a video series created here at LifeWorks Search to help you better understand ChatGPT and its capabilities so you can leverage it to help improve your chances of finding a new job. For this video, we're going to be using ChatGPT to help us create a resume for a supply planner. While ChatGPT can be a valuable resource in assisting in your job search efforts, it is important to exercise caution as well as not just copy and pasting the generated content without properly reviewing it first. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it is an AI or artificial intelligence tool that is used through a chatbot, and it is trained to produce human-like dialogue. Now that we've covered what ChatGPT actually is, what can it not do? Well, ChatGPT is not good at multitasking. It is also not good at comprehending a lot of very niche information, which means it doesn't do super well with details. So this leads me back into our disclaimer of be sure to review all the information first and also make sure that your input into the message bar is always as specific as possible. Accessing ChatGPT is actually quite simple. The only thing you need to do is search chatgpt.com into the search bar and it should pop up right away. Once you've been able to access ChatGPT, you can write anything you want into the message bar. However, it's important to remember to be as specific as possible so that ChatGPT can know exactly what you're looking for and produce the best response. As you can see, I wrote that I'm looking for help in creating a resume for a supply planning role. Sometimes when asking ChatGPT, it might produce the answer in code. However, this is not the correct format that we are looking for, so as you can see here at the end of my very first sentence, I just wrote, "Do not write in code," which makes sure that when the response is produced, it's in their correct format. I'm also going to include my previous experience in similar roles to make sure that this resume is as customizable as possible. Once I've successfully inputted all of my previous experience, I'll hit submit and you can see ChatGPT start to produce a response. Now that we have our sample resume, we can read through and see if we want to craft anything further. After seeing what ChatGPT has created for us, you can actually copy and paste some of the bullet points and put them back into the message bar and write "refined to stand out to a hiring manager." When doing this, you can see that ChatGPT has refined them by taking them a little bit further, providing some more information, which ultimately makes you sound more professional. ChatGPT also has a feature where you can continue to regenerate different answers for the same prompt to make sure that you are happy with what they have created. This might actually spark some more ideas for you as you continue to refine your resume further. Another great way to expand upon your resume is to put in something like, "I'm a supply planner with experience working in the food and beverage industry," let's say. What are 3 to 5 things that I should highlight in my resume? After submitting that input, you can see that ChatGPT continues to refine based on what you put into the message bar. This is a great way for anyone to see how they can better improve their resume to improve their job search. A couple of quick resume formatting tips include to use the same font, something professional like Times New Roman, and make sure that everything is not only in the same font but in the same type size, something professional like 12, nothing too big or too small so it's easy to read. Additionally, making sure that when you have bullet points, they're all aligned in the same way, specifically left aligned, to make sure that anyone who's viewing your resume, it is very simple and easy to understand and gives it an overall cohesive look. One last disclaimer, ChatGPT is still a fantastic tool, but you should exercise caution by making sure that you're reviewing all the information first, and of course not just copy and pasting all the information. It is recommended that you phrase things in your own words and format it in your own way. This ensures that it is coming across in a concise, clear, and personalized way. If you're looking for more resources to assist you in your job search, head to our website, which will be linked into the description, where you can find information on what to wear to an interview, how to ace your interview over the phone or on video, and a lot of other really helpful tools, as well as job postings that are updated all the time. As I've said before, this is just one of the many incredible ways that ChatGPT can help you in your job search. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment any questions you may have. Be sure to come back here to the LifeWorks Search YouTube channel because we're going to be posting more videos here on how you can better leverage ChatGPT to assist you in your job search.